Welcome back and welcome to my channel if you're new. So glad you decided to click on my video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Walmart Beauty Box. So if you want to see what I have in this season's Beauty Box of Walmart's Beauty Box, just keep watching. This is a free beauty box that Walmart gives out every season. I believe this is the fall box. Yes, it is, because it's only November. They tend to be a little late in the season because fall started in September, but that's the way they always are. But that's okay. It's still a nice beauty box. It doesn't matter when I get it. They say this box is free. Technically, it is. However, they do charge you $5 for shipping. So I don't think it's absolutely free, but you know, it's only $5. I've been getting this particular beauty box for probably 3 years or more, and I forget I even subscribed to it. So, you know, it's cheap enough where I don't miss the money, and it's kind of fun to get some samples. Basically, this is what it is, samples. Here's what I mean. I'll show you what it looks like. They just put things in here, you know, it's not really packed all that great, but it's okay. That's why you heard all that noise. It's kind of just rolling around in there. Give you a little card here, which is nice. And you open it up, and it does tell me what products they sent me. And it does tell me about them. Let's see, does it have the price? Yeah, it does have the price of what they cost. Alright, first thing I'm pulling out is going to be Colab Dry Shampoo. So this is a deluxe sample. It is 1 ounce. It's Colab Unicorn Dry Shampoo. Give hair a fall fix with a jasmine and vanilla scent. Brush this dry shampoo through your hair for an invisible, lightweight finish with no buildup or white residue. The full price is $5.38, and that is at 1.1 ounce. That's not a bad price. That's pretty decent. I've never heard of this brand. Obviously, Walmart sells it. I haven't even tried it yet. Whoa. I don't use, ooh. Wow, it smells nice. Okay. I'll try a little more of that. It smells nice. I don't have a comb or brush with me, so I'm just going to throw my fingers through it. It smells beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, it made my hair feel silky. Okay, well, this would be a handy little size to pop in your purse. Who knows, you might have a dirty hair day and need a little spritz. So that's kind of nice to send that to me. I like that. Next thing I'm pulling out is something from Lumify. It's a, here it is, Redness Reliever Eye Drops. It reveals eyes' natural beauty with Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops from Bausch & Lomb. Lumify reduces redness in just 1 minute to help eyes look whiter and brighter. The full size is $11.97, and that is at 0.1 ounce. And this is just a little sample. So it's in a packet. It feels like it's like in a vial. But I'm not going to open it up because I don't use anything like this. I don't really need to use that, so I probably will give this to someone. But it is nice. It's a nice little thing they threw in this bag, or box. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is something from Corelle. It's a dry skin therapy lotion. Now, I've received this before. I don't know if it was in Walmart, but it's in one of my boxes I got. And I love this. I use it all the time. So I still have some left over my other two. But especially this time of year, hands get so dry, and I'm constantly having them in water, which most of us should be having our hands in the water a lot for washing your hands often. I also groom and bathe dogs, so my hands are on water a lot. Let's see what this says about it. It's nothing in here. They got something from Gold Bond. Huh, okay, well, they gave me something different, but I do know I like that, and it's for dry skin. It's a Hydra Silk Moisturizer. I use it for my hands, but I'm sure you can use it for the rest of your body. Okay, I guess I don't have everything. Okay, well, whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, this is cute. I don't even have this in there, but this is just a sample. This is not even a deluxe sample. I pull it out. It's a card, and this is from L'Oreal, and it's a foundation samples, and it's in the color range of light, and they have all different shades of light. So that'll just give me a little dab. I've been wanting to try this new one, so it'd be nice to try it. On the back it does have a $2 off coupon. So yeah, just a sample. And it gave us a sheet mask, coconut sheet mask by Found. And it says here they gave us assorted mask. This preps skin for cool temperatures and natural botanicals known for their healing properties. These sheet masks solve issues while nurturing skin to enhance body and mind. And the full size for one mask is $198. So it's reasonable. I don't do a lot of sheet masks, but this time of year I tend to do a little more. But the only reason why I don't like sheet masks is just silly, I know. I don't like being confined. On my face, and I gotta sit there for 20 minutes, and which most times is not a big deal. I'm usually watch a little TV and help me wind down, so it's nice. But I just tend to like the night mask the best, where I just slap it on my face and sleep, and wake up in the morning and my face is refreshed. But that is a nice thing, though. Last but not least, I see the makeup item, which I'm tickled about, and this is by NYX. And this is a butter gloss, and the color's kind of dark for me, but I'll try it in the winter time. I can see what color this is. Apple Crisp. So it's kind of a orangey taupe terracotta color. Probably prettier on if it's a gloss. And let's see, this buttery, soft, silky, smooth gloss delivers sheer to medium coverage in a fab fall shade. Never sticky and always supple, and stays put and won't feather. And the retail value of that is $4.97. It's very reasonable. NYX is very reasonable. I do like NYX products. I don't buy a lot of them, but I have purchased them in the past and been happy with everything I've purchased. That is it for this box. It shows other things on here, but I didn't get everything. So they probably mixed it up a bit. There's only 2 things on here I didn't get. Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3. So, okay. But anyway, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when it's 5 samples with a 6th sample, that's just a little foil. For the price of $5 for shipping, so not a bad deal. That is the Walmart Beauty Box for fall of 2020. And why have you here? I have one more sample box that I haven't received in quite a while that I want to show you. And it is by pinchme.com. Now this is 100% free. No shipping, no cost, whatever. Usually I get monthly emails, which I'm sure I still do, but I haven't received anything from them in a few months. So I was really surprised to see this in my mailbox. So yeah, it's all a few goodies in here. They don't really give you that much. They're just totally samples. Let me pull it out here. But I like what I got. I got some Blue Diamond Almond Mini Nut Thins. And, whoop, little hair there. Hair came free. No, it's my hair. I was teasing. It's almond and rice cracker snacks. little snacks. What do they taste like? I'm gonna try it. Why not? I'm starving. I haven't had dinner yet, so why not have a little snack? Here is the cracker. That's really good. Really different. Really good. Okay, the next thing is something from Haribo. These are the Gold Bears candy. Yeah, little gummy bears. These are nice. I love these. I love candy. I love gummies. And I like hard candies. Not much of a chocolate lover. Go figure. But I do love this type of candy. So I got that. I'm not going to open that. But I'm going to throw that in my purse and maybe take it to work and have a snack at work. I got some stickers. This looks like nail stickers. Looks like an animal print, little kissy lips, and some bars. So I got that. Let's see if I missed anything. Nope, I think that's it. Now that was free, so it's you know, heck, it's free, so I'll take it. That is just my short little video of some really inexpensive boxes. One's a subscription and one's just whenever they feel like sending you some. Now on the pinchme.com, you can go on monthly and choose samples, which I haven't done lately. I don't know why. I don't know. But anyway, I'll go ahead and give you the website down below. So if you're interested, you can check it out. And I'm not gonna hurt nothing. It's not a gimmick. They don't like slam you with a bunch of junk. It's, you know, it's really quite you know, legit. So, you know, some of those things you fill out and they have you go this form and this form and this form and so on. I mean, you're on that website for like 20 minutes and you still haven't gotten to the bottom of it. This is nothing like that. This is real simple. So, I want to remind each and every one of you again to thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to subscribe. And I hope you like my content and you like me. And if so, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That will alert you when my next video is uploaded. Also, like this video. I hope you liked it. It's short. But you know, every now and then we have to have the little short videos. Just say, hey, I'm still here. Hi. And, oh yeah, give me a quick comment. I love hearing from you guys. Just makes my day. I really do enjoy it. And yeah, so that's about it. So I will see you in my next video. All right, bye. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hazel May says hi.